Hey everyone, and welcome back to Smart with Money. Today, we're talking about the risks and considerations of both owning and renting a house. One of the biggest risks of owning a house is that it is a long-term commitment. If you need to move for work or other reasons, you may have to sell your home at a loss. Additionally, if the housing market declines, you could lose money on your investment if you have to sell at that time. Another risk of homeownership is that it can be expensive. In addition to the cost of the down payment and mortgage, homeowners are also responsible for property taxes, insurance, and maintenance and repairs. One of the biggest risks of renting is that you do not build equity over time. Additionally, your landlord could raise your rent or evict you. Tomorrow, we'll wrap up our discussion of owning versus renting a house by giving you some tips on how to make the best decision for you. Keep an eye on the long-form video tomorrow as we go a bit more in detail on the owning a house versus renting decision.